Philadelphia, a Southwest Airlines jet made an emergency landing at Philadelphia's airport Tuesday with part of the covering from the left motor ripped off along with a window ruined. Passengers walked off the plane onto the tarmac at the airport.
It wasn't immediately known if anyone on board was injured. Southwest said 143 passengers and 5 crew members were on the plane. Passenger Marty Martinez did a brief Facebook Live posting while wearing an oxygen mask. He posted, "Something is wrong with our plane. It appears we are going down. Emergency landing. Southwest flight from NYC to Dallas."
Martinez told CBSN that he thought he was recording his last moments. He said there was blood everywhere on the plane. After the plane landed, he posted photos of a damaged window near the engine.
News helicopter footage showed damage to the left engine of the plane and the tarmac covered with firefighter foam, although there were no signs of flames or smoke.
The Philadelphia airport tweeted that Flight 1380 heading from New York's LaGuardia Airport to Dallas landed safely at PHL and passengers are being brought into the terminal.
The airport said flights were continuing to depart from Philadelphia but that the Federal Aviation Administration issued a ground stop for planes at other airports waiting to depart for Philadelphia.
PHL update 12:35 p.m. FAA has issued ground stop for planes on the ground at other airports waiting to depart for PHL. Check flight status with your airline. Flights are departing PHL. Passengers should expect delays. Tracking data from FlightAware.com shows the flight was heading west over New York's southern tier when it abruptly turned toward Philadelphia.
The National Transportation Safety Board said it was gathering information about the incident. Firefighters were on the scene but a spokeswoman couldn't immediately provide any details.
This is a developing story and will be updated.